Hey guys, this is Suhas Padmalkar, your trading skill partner. Welcome to today's session. आप सबका आपके अपने लाइफ सेलर सुहास चैनल में स्वागत है. आई होप यू पीपल आर लर्निंग एंड ग्रोइंग एंड टेकिंग गुड नोट्स ऑफ दिस कंटेंट. Thanks for your likes and subscribing to this channel. Your support gives me lots of energy to create such a content. We all are learning and growing together. Guys, today we are going to do weekly market analysis by using top-down approach. We are going to see how market reacted this week, what signal we are getting from the charts, and what opportunities it is there in front of us going forward in the next week. So by the way, this week is last week of 2025. Next week we are entering into 2026. So let us see what opportunities market is going to give us going forward, whether it is going to break upside or break downside, that we have to see, and what are the triggers for market going up and down. All those probabilities we are going to discuss in this video today. Next year 2026, by numerology, it is a year of sun. So sun means in planetary action, sun comes first, so number one, and sun means lots and lots of energy. So it's supposed to be very good year for the market also. Before moving ahead, let me give disclaimer. Whatever we are going to discuss today in this session, it is just for education and information purpose. Anyway, there is no buy or sell recommendation for you. It is your responsibility to do your own research and analysis before entering into any trade. So let's dive in. Today we are going to see world markets, commodities, cryptocurrencies, Indian market, and Indian sectoral indices. Guys, to do this, we are going to use our top-down approach to drill down to performing sector, and that is going to help us to choose stocks from the same performing sector. So this is how top-down approach looks like. First of all, satellite view. Under this, we are going to discuss different global markets and what signal we are getting from this analysis. In top-down approach, first step is satellite view. Under this, we are going to see different global markets and what signal we are getting from this market. Second step in top-down approach is helicopter view. Under this, we are going to see how is the performance of our Indian major indices like Nifty and Sensex. And always remember, Nifty performance carries 40% weightage. Third step in top-down approach is aerial view. Under this, we are going to see how is the sectoral performance of different indices and what signal we are getting. So in this, we will try to drill down and find out best performing sectors. And fourth step in top-down approach is microscopic view. That means selection of the stocks from the performing sector. Why we have to do like this? Because as a trader, whatever trade we are taking, there should be higher probability that trade should go in our favor. And for that, we need market support. So if global markets are good, if my major indices like Nifty, Sensex is also giving good signals, and sector is also performing, and I am choosing stock from the same sector, then there is high probability that my trade will be profitable for me. So it is very imperative and important for retail traders to select the stock from the performing sector, and if our major index is also supporting for that move, then it will be very good to make profit. So let us see. So first of all, we'll see global markets under satellite view. US market, Dow Jones, all three RSI above 60, no worry, very good positioning of Dow Jones. Next is S&P 500, same, all three RSI above 60, no worry, trading at all-time high. But the only thing you can observe here, as a trader, our duty is to find the patterns. We have to read the price action properly and find out the patterns. So what we can see here on weekly chart, price is making higher highs But if you look at the RSI is making lower high. So clearly there is a divergence are happening. Also daily, if you look at here also, we can observe there is a divergence in price and RSI. So this is bearish divergence are happening on daily and weekly in S&P 500. So we have to see and wait for confirmation. Still there is no confirmation for bearish divergence. Next is Nasdaq monthly weekly RSI above 60. It is also trading almost near all-time high. Daily RSI is trading below 60. And next is UK FTSE index. All three RSIs are trading above 60. Price is also at all-time high near resistance. One should remember resistance is a resistance till it does not get crossed. So any bullish view have to be done after crossing the resistance level. Next is DAX Germany. As one can see, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly RSI below 60. So clearly short term and mid term trend is sideways. There is a resistance at this level and DAX is actually caught in a sideways market between this range. So one must wait for breaking this level. If it breaks, then clearly DAX will enter into breakout mode. Euro stocks monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily RSI below 60, trading at resistance. Nikkei Japan weekly monthly RSI above 60, long term medium trend bullish, but short term trend sideways. On price also you can see there is a sideways market. Clearly RSI is between 40-60 range. So those people who follow RSI, they know 40-60 band is sideways market for trader. CAC France, clearly there is a resistance on monthly chart, taking resistance at same level. Again monthly there is a divergence on RSI. So if you look at the price action, daily weekly RSI below 60, monthly is also trading near 60. So clearly going forward, CAC index is going to face some resistance. Shanghai Composite China, all three RSIs are trading above 60. Kospi Korea, all three RSI trading above 60. No worry. It is just at resistance. If it is getting crossed this level, then easily there will be breakout in Kospi index. Hang Seng Hong Kong, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. Clearly short term and mid term trend sideways. Let us see commodities. Gold futures, fantastic rally we have witnessed. All three RSI trading above 60. Silver futures, fantastic rally still continuing. One side rally. As a trader, one must able to catch such rallies whenever it is happening. Copper futures, all three RSI above 60. No worry. Crude trading at lower levels. So markets are performing well. US dollar index, clearly US dollar index is clearly sideways market. Nothing to read much. Now cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, all three RSI between 40-60. Weekly RSI has broken 40 level also. So little bit concern. So clearly Bitcoin is in sideways to bearish territory. Ethereum, all three RSI between 40-60. Clearly it is a sideways market. Surprisingly, if you look at the price action, all three prices, monthly, weekly, daily, they are trading below MA20. So that is also big concern. So now helicopter view, we will see Indian market performance. Nifty 50, monthly, weekly RSI above 60. So long term, mid term trends are bullish, but daily RSI is below 60. And one can see there is a concept called size, frequency, and color in technical analysis. If you clearly see, if you look at the daily chart, this area, what you are observing, number of red candles are more than green candles. Size of the red candles is also considerably more than the green candles. And the number of red candles are also more. So as per that concept, size, frequency, color, it is not good indication. Another thing, if you draw the trend line, this trend line, if you see, Nifty is taking resistance here first, now second time here. So again, RSI is taking resistance at 60. So not a good indication. Another thing, if you look at the Nifty performance, Nifty has given zero return since September 2024. Nifty was trading around same level in September 24 and today also in December 2025 Nifty is trading at 26,000 level. So clearly there is a almost 0% return Nifty has given in last 15 months. Another thing to be noticed, presently only some of the large cap stocks are performing, so is the Nifty. Sensex is also same like Nifty 50, monthly RSI above 60, weekly monthly RSI above 60, daily RSI between 40-60. Now aerial view, that is we will see different sectors. Nifty Bank monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So Nifty Bank was performing very well, supported by PSU Bank for last couple of months. But now this is the important level for Nifty Bank. If this price is breaking this level, means one can make bearish view in Nifty Bank. Nifty Fin Services monthly RSI only above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So clearly sideways market. Nifty PSU Bank better than Fin Services. Weekly monthly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So daily little bit worry. Daily is the concern. Here also if you look at, there is a CIP kind of things happening, change in polarity. There is a concept called change in polarity. Nifty Auto weekly monthly RSI above 60, daily RSI between 40-60, but it is better than PSU Bank and Bank Nifty. We can say Auto is outperforming the Nifty 50 index. Metal is very good presently. All three RSI above 60, trading at all-time high. So Nifty Metal Index seems to be very good presently, better than all other index what we have seen. Pharma monthly RSI above 60, weekly daily between 40-60, kind of triangle is getting formed in pharma. If it is breaking upside, means clearly there will be great considerable move in pharma index. But one should wait and watch. There is no confirmation as on date. Nifty IT, for Nifty IT, all three RSI between 40-60. So there is no momentum. It is a sideways index. Clearly, here there is a resistance on weekly for Nifty IT index. Still, it is not getting crossed. Resistance is a resistance. Still, it does not get crossed. Nifty FMCG, not much to read from the price action. All three RSI between 40-60. So there is no great thing in FMCG sector. Consumption monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. Clearly sideways market. Energy also, all three RSI monthly, weekly, daily between 40-60. Clearly sideways market. Nothing more to see. Reality same like energy, all three RSI between 40-60. So clearly sideways market, no momentum. So what is the conclusion? We have seen first of all global markets. All all global markets are trading almost near all-time high, except CAC France index. All other index are trading near all-time high level. So global market there is no issue. Clearly bullish signal we are getting from the global markets. Second, we have seen commodities also in bullish view only. Cryptos we have seen sideways market. Then we have seen helicopter view, that is Nifty 50 and Sensex. So now we will see the probabilities. What are the probabilities that market will break upside and become trending? See, presently market is at such a level, market needs some booster. Any news that will support the market. See, FIIs are withdrawing from our market. Already they have done like this for last year because they might be finding better opportunities in global markets. That is first point. Second point, Nifty is performing well. If you look at the rest of the sectors, they are not up to the Nifty 50 level. So what clue we are getting from our analysis? Nifty 50 is only performing from the sectors, metal and auto little bit seems okay. Rest all sectors are underperforming. It clearly gives indications there is no support from the sectoral indices to the Nifty. So we can say there is a divergence. So that is not good for the market. First thing. Second thing, there is no support from the FIIs. For last complete year or more than that, FIIs keep on selling and withdrawing from the Indian markets because they might be getting better opportunities in global market. So that is second concern. FII investment is not supporting to Indian market. Whatever Nifty performance is there, that is because of our domestic institutions. But one must think how long domestic institutions will keep on supporting Nifty without support from FII. That too, domestic institutions are largely focused on only large cap stocks. That is the reason only Nifty is performing and rest of the sectors are not performing because there is no liquidity. Next is trade deal between India and America. Still there is no concrete conclusion on that. There is one big event in India that is on 1st February, that is Indian budget. So it all depends on our finance minister Sitaramanji how she is going to present the budget. If there are good news for the market, then definitely market will break upside. And if there are no good news for the market, that means clearly market will break downside. So I feel so from the data we can read that market will remain sideways to little bit bullish side up to budget day. Our finance minister if come up with the idea of changing tax to attract FII investor investment and remain invested in India, then she might come up with some tax benefits. Already because of lack of support from the FIIs, no trade agreement between India and America as on date, and budget is also negative for the market. That means clearly one can expect downside if budget is not supportive to the market. So only hope for the market to go upside is our Indian budget on 1st February. Otherwise, there are more chances of market to break downside with present scenarios. So we have to trade as per our signals. If we are getting bullish signal, we have to make our view accordingly. If we are getting bearish signal, we have to trade accordingly. So as a retail trader, we should not become bullish or bearish. We are trend follower. We have to follow the trends. Either way, it may be bullish or bearish. So I would like to say, gone are bulls, gone are bears, eagle is the winner. Let's be clear. As a pro trader, we have to act like eagle. We are not worried about bullishness. We are not worried about bearishness. We will follow the trend. If we are getting bullish signal, we'll board that ship. If we are getting bearish signal, we'll board that ship. We are not worried about bulls and bears. We are the eagle. We have to behave like eagle. That's it for today, guys. आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. आशा करता हूँ आज का वीडियो आपके लिए इंफॉर्मेटिव होगा. I hope I could able to add value to your knowledge through this video. Do not forget to like, comment below and subscribe to our channel. If any suggestions, please do comment. जल्द ही मिलेंगे ऐसे ही नए ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए आई एम सुहास पड़मलकर, योर ट्रेडिंग स्किल पार्टनर, साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर द डे. टिल देन, take care of yourself and your family. Good luck and good trading. Thank you.